Sandeep's 34th birthday. To make it even more special, his friends have tried a little bit. We have asked some questions about himself to some of his friends and let's see how it goes. Happy birthday, Sandeep! Once again! What is the funniest thing you have seen Sandeep doing?
Funniest thing about Sandeep is I remember कि Nisha was sleeping and उसका मुंह खुला था और उसने मुंह में नींबू निचोड़ दिया and when we were young तो वो मेरे गुल्लक में से बहुत सारे कॉइन्स चोरी करके उसका बेक समोसा खा के आता था और मुझे पता भी नहीं चलता था. The funniest thing about भैया वो किचन में जब खड़े रहते हैं हमको किसी को खड़े रहने की जगह नहीं मिलती.
The funniest thing that I've seen him doing is I remember in his room there was a chair and he put a matchstick and he lit it and then he used his perfume deodorant and he told me आजा आजा magic दिखाता हूँ room बंद कर ले. When I came inside he said side हो जा and then he sprayed the perfume on it and the fire went till the door. It was so crazy freaking scary but I remember him doing this and when I think of it all the time I laugh.
The funniest thing that I've seen Sandeep doing is having a topping of cheese on papdi chaat.
The most funny thing I have seen in Sandeep is like he carried towel, not hanky. When it's summer, he carried towel, not hanky. So this is the most funny thing I have seen in him.
What is the best thing about Sandeep?
The best thing about Bhaiya I think is his nature. He is extremely patient, tolerant and he has a huge heart. He's very kind, he's very loving and he's very fun to be with.
The best thing about भैया is his nature.
And calmness.
संदीप की बहुत बेस्ट चीज है बट फिर भी बेस्ट उसमें से बेस्ट जो है कूल काम and always happy smiling.
The best thing in Sandeep is like Sandeep is fully a best guy. Everything is best, but I think from my side, his heart is the best.
What is the best thing about Sandeep?
The best thing about Bhaiya I think is his nature. He is extremely patient, tolerant and he has a huge heart. He's very kind, he's very loving and he's very fun to be with.
The best thing about भैया is his nature.
And calmness.
संदीप की बहुत बेस्ट चीज है बट फिर भी बेस्ट उसमें से बेस्ट जो है कूल काम and always happy smiling.
What is the most annoying thing about Sandeep?
The most annoying thing about Bhaiya is Bhungli. I know he knows what I mean.
Annoying thing about Sandeep is कि वो प्रिटेंड करता है कि बहुत सीरियसली आपकी बातें सुन रहा है बट वो अंदर से बिल्कुल सीरियस नहीं होता है.
The most annoying thing about Sandeep, well, अभी तक तो मेरे साथ ऐसा कोई एक्सपीरियंस है नहीं, but no, nothing till yet.
The annoying thing about भैया is
जब एक बात को 4 बार बोलनी पड़ती है उसके बाद ही वो कुछ करता है.
Well, the best thing about Sandeep is whenever you are with him, he's always positive about what he says and very helpful.
The best thing in Sandeep is like Sandeep is fully a best guy. Everything is best, but I think from my side, his heart is the best.
What is the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear the name Sandeep?
Well, the first thing that comes in my mind when it's Sandeep is problem is solved, relax.
The first thing that comes in my mind when I hear the name Sandeep is food.
And laugh.
First thing comes to my mind when I hear the name Sandeep is Kusmadika Kira and multi-talented.
Sandeep, the name Sandeep is synonymous to
Big.
hoggy
Huge.
and patient very very patient, sometimes also equivalent to mute, and yes, lots of fun.
So Sandeep is for me like happiness, confident, and all my problems solved.
What is the thing that comes to your mind when you know it's Sandeep's birthday?
What comes to my mind when I hear it's Sandeep's birthday? I think it's fun, food, and musty. When it's Bhaiya's birthday, let's party.
When thinking about Bhaiya's birthday, what comes to our mind is
food,
food, drinks,
and fun, masti,
party.
party.
Hey Sandeep, happy birthday. The thing that I think about when it's Sandeep's birthday is all about cake, pastries, and sweets, laughters.
It's Sandeep's birthday, it means party, lot of fun, cake, pastry, cold drink. बस ये दिमाग में आता
संदीप का नाम सुनते ही सबसे पहले दिमाग में आता है जैनश्री के पोहे और वो भैया जो संदीप को देखते ही पूछते हैं, संदीप भैया उसल या सादे।
संदीप का बर्थडे मतलब बाबा की पार्टी।
संदीप की फनीएस्ट चीज ये थी कि संदीप ने एक बार काले को रेलवे स्टेशन बुला लिया पिक करने और संदीप सूरत में था।
और उसकी अनोइंग थिंग यही है, मतलब मैं आज दिन तक उसके ऊपर कभी विश्वास नहीं कर पाई हूँ। वो जब बैंगलोर में रहता है और लोकेशन शेयर करता है, उसके बाद भी मैं कभी भी विश्वास नहीं कर पाई हूँ।
I would like to wish Sandeep a very very happy birthday. Enjoy the day and the rest of the year.
हैप्पी हैप्पी बर्थडे मोटे।
लालू सेठ को जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं भैया।
बधाई हो संदीप सेठ। हैप्पी बर्थडे संदीप भाई। बाबा को जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। पधारो हमारा देश।